All right, coming at you with a collective haul of all the things I got from my trip to Miami. There is active construction going on right outside my window. I know a lot of YouTubers say that thinking you can hear it and you usually can't, but like if you can hear a big saw, it's literally 6 feet out my window. So we'll just hop right in. I made a pile, so we'll just go top to bottom, but I think the more fun stuff is at the bottom. I mentioned in a vlog a couple weeks ago, I don't have like just shoes you can throw on with a dress. I'm still on the hunt for like a strappy sandal, but for now I figured I'd get some white sneakers. These are so easy to pop on with the dress, and I'm really happy it became socially acceptable to wear sneakers with dresses, because that's what I was rocking in Europe 3 years ago because I only packed sneakers, so those pictures, not good. I picked up 2 pairs from Walmart. So this pair just looked a little bit more durable than the other ones I picked up. So very plain, maybe like a little detail here if you're really looking, but a thicker sole. I've already worn these. They have a memory foam. I always think I'm like an old woman when I get a memory foam thing, but I feel like no matter what age you are, you should probably get some orthopedic shoes. So these end up being 14 and change. So let's just say $15. And then these I have in another color, so I knew they would be comfortable, but I wanted to get the white version. So I feel like Torrid has a lot of these kind of shoes. Like the back is like stretchy, but I have these in leopard. I got them from Walmart when I was camping last summer. So I got them in white, a little thinner. You don't tie them, they come like that and you can just slip them on. What I didn't notice online was this little back embroidery pattern. I don't love it because I would love just like a plain white shoe, but like that's not a hindrance of me wearing it. So easy to pop on. I know they fit. I know they're comfortable. These also have like the memory foam. Like I said, I already have these in a different color, so I knew these would fit and be comfortable. These go for 9 and change, so let's just say 10. I got the 10, I think, wide width in both of these, and I have pretty wide feet, so I think you'll be good if you also have wide feet. I think I needed to hit a shipping minimum with Walmart, and I only buy black socks. That way I always have a match. So I figured with white shoes, I would get some white ankle socks. So I think this is like a 6-pack. One of them already fell out, so got some socks. Okay, next is Amazon, and I'm not a big Amazon shopper. I try and find things elsewhere before coming to Amazon, but these things I couldn't find anywhere else. My cart had kind of accumulated, so I was like, okay, it's time to buy these things. And these are things I know I'm gonna be using for a very long time, and not just like a one-off vacation kind of thing. So the first thing are 2 sets of packing cubes. The first set is from the brand Shack Pack. Olivia Minter, I should really figure out how to say her name if I'm gonna keep shouting her out. She inspired my ASOS haul, but she's a big traveler, so she talked about these packing cubes. There's 6 in here, and then this is like a laundry bag. So different sizes, just so you can kind of, and this is what I've kind of been doing with little bags I have of my own, either set outfits in each bag, or each bag is gonna be socks and underwear, going out dresses, travel day clothes, you know, so you can get more organized within your suitcase. So pick these up. And then I got another set of the packing cubes. These have been in my cart for years, and I was like, well, I'm getting those, might as well get these. I think they're also good just to have storage under your bed, in your closet, you know, put some sweaters in these in the off season and put it on a drawer, you know. But these have a little cactus pattern, and we know I'm a cactus lady, so pick these up. I think there's 5 different size bags in here. And this feels like a Teflon, like if you go camping, this is like tent material, you know, heavy duty, sturdy, but still has the mesh here so you can see what's in there. So I know I'm gonna be using both of these. So having 10 or 11 bags was actually useful to me. Next, I got a pack of phone cases that are waterproof, and I think you can even slip a thing around there and put it around your neck. So for Miami, I'm not touching the ocean. My cousin's girlfriend was like, we can go snorkeling, and I'm like, absolutely not. I do not go in the ocean. But if we do maybe go to the beach, or I'm okay with like kayaking or something, but I'm not putting my feet in the water for sharks to eat me. So if water activities, I want to put my phone in here. It's waterproof, but you could still use your phone, and you can put this around your neck. This comes in a 4-pack. I think it was $12. I can also use this. We go to Lake George every summer, so on the boat, on the water ski, swimming, and you put like your stuff on a rock, like this will keep your phone protected, but you could still have it near you. So this will definitely get a lot of use. And like I said, there's 4 in here, so I can give one to my sister, cousin, and just have a backup for myself. All right, I brought up needing a sunscreen. I'm very white, if you didn't notice, and I've had skin cancer scares in the past. You ever see it? Wait, where is it? This scar right here, cancer. So I am very vigilant about sunburns and sunscreen. So I did order from Supergoop. They haven't come in yet, but a lot of people suggested them when I was looking for sunscreen. Another YouTuber I follow, Katie Culp, she does military wife and travel vlogs with her husband. So their channel is called Cult Fiction. Love her, have been following her for like 10 years. So I really trust her recommendations. She was talking about like a Korean beauty sunscreen, and she's also very pale like me. So this is from Suncut. This is SPF 50. She knows all the chemicals and all the good stuff. So I trusted her judgment, and I really like this. Goes on very light and it soaks in very fast, and you don't have that weird filmy kind of feeling all day. So I've been using this for the past 2 weeks. Everything will be linked down below, but this is from a Korean beauty brand. Okay, now to the fun stuff. Now we got the clothes. So I use Poshmark a lot selling my own things, but I'm also always looking for stuff. If there's something I had my eye on from a brand and it sold out, I'll always look on Poshmark, and while I'm looking, I like favorite some things to keep my eye on. And then the other day I was just like looking through my favorites and some of the prices dropped. So I was like, let's just get something. So this is a ModCloth swimsuit from maybe 2 or 3 years ago. I have this in a different pattern. It's one of my most worn swimsuits of all time. And my sister actually got this yellow one, and we wore them, you know, together in Mexico. So I know I like this body, and I loved this pattern on her. So when I saw this was on sale on Poshmark, I picked it up. I got this in a 2X, that's all Poshmark had, but you know, it'll fit. But I've worn this a few times already. I love it. And now me and my sister can be twins. They still have this body on their website in different patterns, but I highly, highly recommend. I think it's called the Sienna. That's like the body, and there's gonna be different patterns. Okay, next we have 2 things from Stitch Fix. I had credits on there and they were gonna expire, so I was like, let's just spend them. So this dress is from the brand Tailor Dresses, which I love. I used to get a lot of Tailor dresses through Gwynnie Bee. It's a really, really nice kind of designer. I think they sell them at Macy's and Nordstrom. So when I saw that it was a Tailor dress and that it was in a pattern that I really liked, I picked it up. So this one was a little bit more expensive, but I had credits to burn. So I got this in a 16. Again, with the Stitch Fix, the cut is a little higher. Like, I'm not gonna be boobs out, but it still has a nice V cut. The fake buttons. This is just like a really pretty floral. I think this is good for like, I know we kind of just passed this, but like graduations, Mother's Day, that kind of stuff, baby showers. But I just think this would be like a nice summer occasion dress. I'm toying with bringing it to Miami, but I did just look up the weather. It's gonna be an average of 86 every day in Miami. So even though this is a see-through arm, I don't know if I want to have that much fabric touching me. But regardless if I wear this in Miami or not, this is just a good thing to have. Again, if and when I get a job in an office, good office dress. Okay, I should know this, but usually jumpsuits do not work on me. But this one was cute and I wanted to try it. So a dark green base with a ditzy floral pattern on it. Super stretchy, wide leg, long romper, jumpsuit kind of thing. You know what? I put this on and I really liked it. I did look a little pregnant. I think where the empire, you know, starts, the empire waist. And then there's just something about a romper that really hugs my gut. But at least it was comfortable. Like usually rompers like go right in every crevice, but this sat really nicely on me. Again, it's very stretchy and the pattern's busy that it's not really pulling attention to the crotch and like the belly outline. Also, I figured towards the fall I can put a denim jacket with this and that's gonna look really cute. But even on its own, I felt really good in this. So even though yes, it might make me look a little pregnant, it still looked good and I felt good, and that's really all that matters. So this one is from the brand Kaylee and I got it in a 1X, but it has adjustable straps, super stretchy, little waistband to break you up just a little bit, but I'm very happy with the color and the fit. Okay, so with all the wedding dresses and the new dresses I just got from ASOS, I knew I needed an update on the bra. So I needed a new strapless bra. Haven't gotten one since the Bush administration. I don't know, it's been a very long time. So Rosie Blair recommended this one and linked it, and it was sitting in my cart forever and I was just too cheap to pull the trigger, and Torrid was running 25% off for the longest time, and I was like, it's been 25% off for a full month, fine, let's just do it. Literally the next day, 40% off. But I paid $38 for this, and had I waited, you know, 12 hours, I would have paid, I think, $32. So not the biggest slap in the cheap girl face, but that always happens to me. Anyways, about the bra. This does come with straps. I just detached them, but if you need, there is a way to add straps to this and have like more of a, like a balconette kind of cut instead of like, so the verdict is in. I do find this very supportive. I was, you know, jumping around. I will be wearing this to the wedding, so it's gonna have to survive me dancing like the baby from Ally McBeal. So I'm very happy with the support I had from this, and like, it wasn't, you know, jumping down when I was jumping up. So I really like that. It does have the kind of plastic lining grip, and I got this in my usual a 42D. I can't believe I slept on Torrid bras for this long. Like, I would get bralettes and stuff from them, but I never got a bra till like this year with those unlined no wire bras, which I fully stan and basically only wear those. So very, very happy with the construction of Torrid bras. So this one is gonna get a lot of use in Miami and hopefully going forward. All right, finally, I got a few more Girlfriend Collective leggings. So thank you so much to anyone who has used my code. That gives me, you know, money to shop on Girlfriend. It's just like mutually beneficial for everybody. So Girlfriend Collective leggings are made out of water bottles, super sustainable. So I had 3 codes, and I'm like, no one needs that many leggings. Maybe you do, but like, I decided to get one for Courtney and one for Caitlin. So they're both a size medium, and then they wanted different inseam measurements. So I got Courtney one, I got Caitlin one, and I got me one, because I do have the maroon, I have the green, but I wanted a black. These are the medium, so don't think like you're gonna have to squeeze in here. So these are the Courtney and Caitlin little medium waist sized ones, but super soft, very compressive. But when you use a code, you can only use one at a time. And I was like, I don't mind paying shipping, but I don't want to pay it 3 times. So I messaged Girlfriend and I was like, I'll pay 1 shipping and you can all just group them together. Like, you don't have to send 3 packages. And they were so helpful on their end, and they didn't charge me shipping, period, which was very nice. But I have to give it up to their customer service, like A+. So I got 3 new pairs of Girlfriend leggings, but only 1 is for me. You gotta spread the love. Okay, that is everything. Oh, no. Nope. So for the actual wedding, I went to Showpo, which I think is an Australian retailer. One of my mild internet acquaintances wore a really nice dress to a wedding, and I was like, where is that from? And she said Showpo, and I was looking at their website, and I came across these 2, and I couldn't decide for this wedding because it is going to be more of a fancy affair. So mine's like a full length kind of dress. Why don't I just take you with me? So the first one is this blush pink number. I would show you these on me, but I need a second set of hands, and I don't have anyone here to zip me in. I did put this on, and I turned it around so the zipper's in the front, and made sure it's zipped. So this will get on me zipped. I just need a second pair of hands. But it definitely looks like a bridesmaid's dress. I went for this blush pink. I was between this and a green, but I was like, I always wear green. But something about this blush was calling out to me. So I got this. It has a slit in the leg, which is really cute. Even if I wore flats, this would still be a good length on me. I got it in a 16. I just hope the hotel or something has a steamer so I can make it look nice after traveling with it. And then it ties around the waist. Very cute. And then this is my second option, a maroon one. I know I love maroon. I know it looks good on me. This one lays a little bit more flat, whereas this one is more A-line, spin around in it. This one is a little bit more straightforward. I did just try this on. Again, I don't know if it's gonna zip because I couldn't reach back there, so I would need, you know, my sister or someone to help me in. But there are 2 wedding ceremonies, one in Miami and one in New Jersey for those who couldn't travel. So I figured whichever one I don't end up wearing, I'll just wear to the other one. These were a little bit more expensive. So you know me, the cheapest girl in the world. The pink one was $109. The red one was, I think, $79. So whole shebang, about $200, which is not like me. But I figured, I was like, this is a nice event. Like, we're traveling for it. Let's just do it up. Also, it's around what I made on YouTube last month between AdSense and like using links, like affiliate links and stuff. So, and if they don't zip, I could just return them. But I had a very similar thing like with the Torrid deal. Right after I bought these, I was searching high and low for a discount code, couldn't find one. Bought these, and then like literally 60 seconds later, Showpo emails me a 10% off coupon. And I was like, this would have been nice 60 seconds ago, but I digress. So would have saved me $20, but timing is not my forte. So paid about $200 for these dresses. At least they're like classic pieces, like not overly trendy. I could wear this maroon one to every wedding for the rest of my life and no one would know. I do like that Shopo puts a thin model and a big model in the item, so like you could scroll through and see what it's gonna look like on either body. So really like that. They have a lot of cute stuff. Like I said, it is very expensive, but I would definitely like to revisit the site. Okay, so that is everything for Miami. Actually, it's not. I have a Shein separate haul for other Miami stuff. So I will be doing a whole video of what I've spent for all the Miami stuff, but everything in this video will be linked down below. All my sizes down below, all my info down below. I think in Miami I'll finally take pictures and come back to Instagram static feed for once. I have just felt so unphotogenic the past couple months. Also, no one takes pictures of me, so like what would I post? I'm planning on stunting in Miami, so someone better get a good picture of me, at least one. So my Instagram link will be down below. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.